I want to talk about making candles. So there's like a website I discovered. Making candle is very satisfying because it's like real. Actually, the principle is really simple. It's like you just melt the wax and you add fragrance to it. And after that, you put it in a jar and you let it sit for the whole night. And in the morning, voila, you get 10 or 20 candles. And also you can add colors to it, and you can make it like any shape. I haven't gone that far, but I found that Candle Science is a really good website to shop for your candle supply because they have all the fragrance you can think of, and you can think of and shoot with. You just shop and it's like, I'm not sure, it's like $50 or $60 for free shipping, or it's not free shipping, I'm not sure, but I usually buy 10 different kind of fragrance and the color is really inexpensive. I buy like little color chips and then I just melt the wax and put it in the jar. I found it very satisfying. Yeah, but there are like also other. The fun thing about this is like you can make any. See, also another really important thing I want to talk about is like, I think most of the commercial candle is made of other kind of wax that is a byproduct of the car gas. So if you make candle yourself, you can also use soil wax, which is a lot better health-wise than the thing you bought in the store. Another thing is that you can also use beeswax. I haven't tried that because I think that's probably expensive. But if you like make candle yourself, you probably like, it's, first of all, it's much cheaper than what you bought from store, because like a bag of wax is probably $10, but you can make a lot of candles with it. But it's mostly not because of, like, candles are not that expensive, but mostly it was because of the fun and the kind of flavor you can get with it. I think with the fragrance oil I got from the Candle Science, I can make 4 or 5 like 4-ounce jar from it, and that's like, so you can try different kind of fragrance, and yeah, it's like a morning surprise, which is kind of nice, and you can try different color. You need a temperature. I think you need a thing to measure the temperature, but like that's like essential for your kitchen if you ever cook meat. And it's like $8 or $10 for you. So it's not that expensive. You need that to monitor the temperature, but it's really quick to melt them. You also need a double boiler, but I just use the big pan. I use a pan and I use a bowl, and I just melt it over a bowl. Yeah, so you know how to make a double boiler, I bet. So you just melt it and pour it into your and add color, add fragrance, and pour it. It probably take 1 or 2 hours, but your evening will be so fun. And then in the morning there will be a surprise because all your candles are ready. Also, if you like I think there's a process that you need to make the wick stand. I usually just use a piece of paper and poke a hole in the middle and just put it on top of the candle I make, and it make the wick stand up. So yeah, it's really fun. It not only you can, and the upside you can enjoy yourself or give it to your friends. That yeah, you can, yeah. It's pretty fun to make them. So if that's what you are interested in doing, I will link all the steps and the supplies I got down below. And if you have any question or comment, just comment below. I will reply it. Yeah. Also, there with candle sign, there is pretty easy article about how to, like, the general procedure of how to do it. Yeah. Hi. Hope you had a great day.